EU maritime strategic sector. Okay, dear politicians, this is a personal, professional CEO idea, experienced 40-year-old experience shipping, 4th generation, starting the 5th one. If you stop providing tax and bureaucracy documents, now this is just another idea, but one that perhaps if you don't have a calculator handy, if not, perhaps you can have an AI agent, and then we don't need to talk to you, and the agent can report the improvements. Then this is a paper, okay, and a pen. We can calculate 4 million. See, that's a 4 million seafarers times, let's say, 30k euro direct. Indirect, that's times 11. Okay. Now, if this is for 100 years intrinsic value investing in the talent, ESG, corporate social responsibility, goodwill for the long-term generations, new young generations, like we have now 300 Spanish cadets waiting for a job and so many European cadets and so on, then this is for 100 years equals, please, this is the value that these hero seafarers would bring to Europe for the next 100 years. All you have to do is not complicate things. Yeah, okay, just write it, please. Okay. Number one, now we're going to have 500,000 new Spanish, yes, but they do get the local, let's say, domiciled document, but that's not the passport, not the ID card, which takes also 5 years. Now, if they do get the domicile document, the NIE is called, then with a certificate from Cuba, Argentina, Panama, blah, 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 then they have to change the address once they have this new document number. So because of the number, now they have to change the new certificates. Also, a captain, they have to review all the certificates. Okay, first step takes 2 years to get the NIE document, and then it takes like about 5 years to get the full, so that's total 7. It's like a doctor, and then we don't have doctors in Europe here. That's because of bureaucracy. I hope someone reminds, okay, any government leader or politicians, okay, you're the last one in the queue for the doctors. But anyway, going back to this now, it's the opportunity now to really take advantage of these 75,000 ships, this planet Earth, you know, planet Earth, it has 75,000 ships. So if we did have 150,000 captains domiciled with the document and the passport, the identity document and the passport, and also the certificates. So that's 150,000 captains, 150,000 chief officers, 150,000 second officers. Same for chief engineers, and then we would be like having 600, that's 1.2 million. That's 100% of the total planet officers. The maritime sector would really survive within Europe. I don't know if this video is only 30 seconds, okay? Just not to give you enough, too much information, because perhaps we are going to have a huge problem. Just please take note of this, get your act together. Also, the endorsement certificates of Panama, Venezuela, Cuba, Honduras, Morocco, Algeria, all the countries that are close to Europe, you know, you can get a map, you know, you get a map, and try to get those officers, and also Panman, electrician, cook, and AB, and oiler, motorman, and so on. Those professions that are from countries close, our friends, our family members. Okay, so anyway, thank you very much indeed. Goodbye, I guess it's done.